Right guys, welcome, and Bitcoin is up again and surpassed the $20,000 value, okay? It's more than 1 million pesos worth today as time of recording, okay? So mas mataas to kaysa dun sa pinakamataas ng value noong 2017. And we are expecting to see more of this sa 2021 and beyond.
Hey, if you are new here and you want to learn more about online freelancing and other ways to make income online, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon para ma-notify ka sa mga bagong tips about freelancing.
So heads up lang, this is not a buy and sell tutorial for Bitcoin. It's more about my experience in investing in Bitcoin. Okay, honestly, I don't advise investing heavily on Bitcoin, especially yung buying and selling dahil napaka-volatile. So meaning napaka-bilis magbago and unpredictable. Minsan kasi namamanipula yan ng mga investors mismo, no? Kaya tumataas at bumababa agad yung value ng Bitcoin. So, pag gano'n kasi malaki ang posibilidad na mawalan ka ng pera. Pero compared dati, medyo unti-unti na nga nagiging stable ang Bitcoin at medyo nagiging predictable na siya. Okay? So, the safest way to invest in Bitcoin is long-term and invest with money you can afford to lose. So, once na in-invest mo yung pera mo sa Bitcoin, i-assume mo na wala na yung pera mo. So, siguraduhin mong hindi ka iiyak pag nawala yung perang yan. Okay? Hindi ako heavy investor sa Bitcoin, and some of the Bitcoin na meron ako is from Bitcoin Faucets. So, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung dalawa na ginagamit ko for years and how much na yung nakuha ko sa kanila. So, I found out about Bitcoin noong 2016. No, by using CoinsPH. And that time parang nasa 25,000 pesos pa lang yung value ng Bitcoin. Around $500, no? Compare mo yan sa presyo ngayon na $20,000. Medyo malayo na yung narating ng Bitcoin. And it's still very early to say kung hanggang saan naabot ang Bitcoin, no? At that time, hindi agad ako bumili ng Bitcoin. Instead, nag-leverage ako sa affiliate program ng CoinsPH. That time kasi 50 pesos ang commission, no? Kada may makuha kang user sa platform ng CoinsPH. And luckily, madami ako nakuha ang commissions nun. And yun yung kinonvert ko into Bitcoin. So I think 1,000 pesos plus yung nag-invest ko nun. And lumaki yun nung 2017 ng I think 12,000 pesos. So I have a blog post about this on my website, and it is one of my most visited posts. And I'm also featured sa CoinsPH blog, kaya siguro medyo naging popular yung post kong ito. So after this, hindi na ako bumili ulit ng Bitcoin dahil babala ng todo yung presyo niya. Ang tawag nga nila nun is Bitcoin bubble. So hindi pa talaga alam kung magtatagal ang Bitcoin. So, yung mga Bitcoin Faucets, yan yung mga websites na nagbibigay ng mga Bitcoin bits na just for using their website. So, napakaliliit lang yan. Pero, pag lagi mong ginagamit, of course, nag-accumulate yan. So, napakadami yan, pero dalawa lang talaga yung ginagamit ko ever since. So, I am constantly earning from them, lalo na dahil meron silang affiliate marketing program. Hindi ganun kalaki yung nakukuha ko sa kanila, pero at least meron ako mga bitcoins na nailalagay ko sa wallet ko kahit hindi ako mag-invest ng malaki. So ayoko kasi magpadala sa hype, no? Dahil dyan madalas madaming nasusunugan ng pera. So yung dalawang bitcoin faucets na yan is yung freebitcoin.in at saka yung crypto tab. Meron akong post about dito. If you want to find out more, just visit it on my blog, freelancerphilippines.com. Ilalagay ko rin sa baba yung mga link, no, para mabisita nyo. Ngayon, kung aggressive ka naman na investor, so gusto mo yung buy and sell, no, you can try yung Binance or yung Poloniex. So, yun yung mga ginagamit kong buying and selling. And also yung coins.ph, so, madali nang mag-buy and sell doon. But again, invest at your own risk and invest with money you can afford to lose. So, ang Bitcoin is growing stronger and stronger, and it is expected to be an economy changer. So again, I don't advise investing heavily on Bitcoin just yet, pero it's not bad to have some Bitcoin in your wallet, no? It is expected in the next few years, no? We will be seeing more of this growth. Kaya consider getting a piece of the pie kahit maliit lang habang maaga pa. So I hope you find this video interesting, and if you like it, please share it and give it a thumbs up. Okay? So kung may comments kayo or suggestions or anything you want to share, just put it in the comments section. Again, this is Rene from Freelancer Philippines, and see you at the next video.
Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about online freelancing, I would like to invite you to visit freelancerphilippines.com and create your free account. In this blog, I will share the exact things I do to generate income in the comfort of my house, at my own time, at my own pace, doing the things that I love to do while getting the income I want. So, see you there.